Hello, my name is Dorian Alexander Merino Urquijo. I am 43 years old. I am an electronics technologist. I am studying psychology. I am working in a store of motorcycle parts. This is my house. My house has 4 rooms. This is living room. There is a black sofa, a library, a TV, a curtain. This is the dining room. It has 6 chairs and a painting of Jesus Christ and his apostles. This is the kitchen. This is the fridge, the shower, a blender. This is the bathroom of my 2 sons. There is a bunk, a small closet. This is the bathroom of my daughter, Ana Maria. A window, a curtain. There is center table, a mirror. This is the matrimonial bedroom. It has a window, a TV, a mirror. These are pictures of my children, Juan Sebastián, Dorian Alejandro, and Ana Maria. This is my computer center. This is the backyard where is the bathroom, a sink, a toilet, a mirror, a shower. This is the washing machine. Well, I showed you my house. Thank you very much.